Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Big Daddy's house. My name's Adam, and I'm here to show you how to really fix your door squeak today. So, if you've been watching me, the second video I did was with my son and I, and we were trying to fix a door squeak, and it got worse when I put oil on it. I still to this day do not understand how that could even be possible. But 2 days later, after I fixed it, it started to squeak again. And I'm like, dang, if I could just keep that roller up, what am I going to do? So I totally MacGyvered something, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I know. Who's MacGyver? Google it. Dogs be barking. MacGyver fix right there. You see that yellow piece right there? I'm probably going to change it to black because I don't want it to be yellow, of course. But to show you guys, it makes it show up on the video better. Plus, it was a part I had laying around. And I'll show you what that is and how I did it. This is what you'll really need. Bench grinder optional. You don't even need a grinder. I'm just using a grinder because it's easy. You could actually cut this. So what this is from is a weed whacker blade setup, and all I'm doing is I'm going to cut this entire piece off and just use just this portion, C-notch it out, and pop it straight in. Always use safety goggles. All right. Now I'm just going to create a C-notch in it. That's it. That's all I did. Now you can for sure buy something like this at Home Depot or Lowe's and maybe just cut out your own C-notch. It looks like around 1/4 of an inch, maybe, thickness this is. You just want to get something that is probably some type of plastic. And then I'll just pop this in there and oil it. Bam! Alright guys, super scary gimbal shot, so I'm going to do this real fast. Okay, so we've already notched this out. Probably want a pair of needle nose pliers and then a screwdriver. Now what we're going to do with the screwdriver is the same thing we did before. I'm going to rock this roller up a little bit, just like that, and then we're going to push this into place. Come on, baby. That's it. Give it some oil. We're good to go. No squeak. All right, fine. I'll show you who MacGyver is. love MacGyver. And then I'll just, whoops.